Hello everyone, I hope you all are having a great time. Today I'm back with another tutorial video, and in this video I'll be guiding you guys through the steps of registering for the Shein account. But before that, here's a short description about it. Shein is an international B2C fast fashion brand. The company mainly focuses on women's wear, but it also offers men's apparel, children's clothes, accessories, shoes, bags, and other fashion items. So if you want to find out how you can register for Shein account, then make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open the app. After that, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right and then go to sign in or register option. To register, you first have to select your country or region, then enter the email address. So here's my email. After that, create a password for your account, and then you can tap right here to receive exclusive offers and latest news by email. If you wish to no longer receive an email, you can check the unsubscribe option. Now tap on register, and that's it. Your account has been registered. So we have come to the end of the video. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, then please make sure to like, leave a comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, How to Geek. We'll be back with more such videos. Until then, have a great time. Bye bye.